ASH's scientific workshops spotlight breakthrough research, ignite cross-disciplinary collaboration, and connect emerging discoveries to the clinical and translational innovations driving hematology forward. This scientific workshop examines the biological drivers of hematologic aging.
The mechanisms that drive or are dysregulated in biological aging are associated with hematologic diseases such as CHIP, such as bone marrow failure. So there's really a limited amount of data that we have on the impact of biological aging on the efficacy of these therapies. So this year we've created these sessions where each session will focus on different strategies, how we can mitigate aging in the context of hematologic disease.
This next scientific workshop explores cutting-edge developments in MRD detection, next-generation sequencing, ctDNA analytics, and precision diagnostics.
So MRD, or the detection of cells in blood cancer, down to the 1 in a million, is really the next frontier of how to manage hematological malignancy. We use it now to intervene to get rid of residual resistant cells. We use it to de-intensify therapy, and now we're using it to intensify therapy as well. So, it really is the next way of personalising treatment for blood cancer. The Hematomics platform is a fantastic initiative for ASH, as well as some collaborators from St Jude's and the MLL, to try and aggregate data together to really give researchers the tools they need to aggregate genomic data and improve MRD detection.
ASH is continuously investing in the future of discovery science and precision medicine through the ASH Hematomics program, also known as ASHOP. To learn more, visit hematology.org/ASHOP.